welcome to my channel. I'm Mai, a local Japanese cooking and dessert expert. Today, I'm in Setagaya. The reason why I'm here today is because I'm going to visit a special cafe. This cafe serves cream puff in the shape of Totoro, which is an iconic character of Ghibli animations. This place is located near Setagaya-Daita Station on Odakyu Line, but really in a residential area. The building has two floors. The first floor is the shop where you can buy cookies and cream puff to take away, and the second floor is the cafe where you can enjoy the freshly made cream puff together with a cup of coffee. So let's go to the cafe now. Because it's located in a residential area, it's very quiet and it's really peaceful. Oh, it's so nice. I love this cafe. Shiro-Hige Cream Puff Factory is the name of this place. This place is located in Shimo-Kitazawa area, which is known as an area of vintage clothes shops, music and theaters. You can find lots of interesting shops in Shimo-Kitazawa. So look at how cute they are. The item on top tells what flavor cream is stuffed inside. So this one with sakura cherry blossom flower is strawberry cream inside. This one with a green leaf on top is a classic cream stuffed inside. This one with a hat is chocolate cream. And the interesting thing is that this is the only bakery in the world that has official permission to make cakes in the shape of Totoro. So if you're a fan of Ghibli anime, you should definitely visit this place when you're in Japan. I ordered coffee and oh, this is really cute too. This strawberry cream. So let's give it a try. This is almost too cute to eat. So let's give it a try. This is is really nice. The cream is not too sweet, and it has I can taste the fresh strawberry inside. This one with the strawberry cream inside is a seasonal item, which is available only for a few months. Oh, I'm so lucky to see this. So, on this channel, I share authentic Japanese home cooking, Japanese sweets, and information about delicious local foods from Japan. If you're fans of all things Japanese and want to learn about our local foods in depth, please subscribe to my channel. Also, I create a variety of traditional sweets called Wagashi and share on my Instagram. You can search for it at Miss Wagashi. So thank you for watching Miss Wagashi TV, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye!